How to auto reframe in CapCut. Let's get into it. Start by selecting your clip. Next, come up to Video, come under Basic, scroll down until you see Auto Reframe and check into this box. This is going to give you a few options to choose from. For aspect ratio, click into this drop down and select the option that you want. I'm going to choose 9:16. This is then going to start analysing your footage. As we can see here, it's tracking our speaker here. You can also configure image stabilization and camera moving speed. For image stabilization, I recommend choosing one that best suits the clip that you're working with. I'm going to leave it as default for this instance. And camera moving speed, again, you're going to have to choose the best option for what you're working with. For this example, I'm going to choose fast. With that configured, you can go ahead and choose apply, and that will reframe your video. However, you may have black bars on the left and the right here like I do. If that's the case, come down into ratio here and then select 9:16, and that's going to get rid of those black bars and give you a true 9:16 video. And that's all there is to it.